Today I'm filming a very exciting video with my girls Sophie and Industry. Today I thought it'd be fun if they joined me for a video and they did my makeup on each half of their face. Okay guys, come on in. Hello, this is Sophie, Industry. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. So they've gone ahead and pulled out literally whatever products they wanted from the whole stash for their look. I thought this would be a fun video to film. Where'd she go? She's still running around and getting stuff. Okay. I thought this would be a fun video to film because they're both very good at makeup, even though they pretend to not be to fish for compliments.
No. What an accusation.
You will see. You will see. They are both very good. Yeah, I thought it'd be fun. Sophie, please tell me about your approach and your vision.
Mine will be more of like Garden Beats Festival inspired makeup. It's like glitz and glam, bright colors.
Okay.
I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just gonna have something nice.
Wow, you're just gonna
wing it, slap it on your face.
Awesome. And what about you, Industry?
I want to use lots of bright colors.
Okay.
I do like blues and greens and like make it really, really colorful.
Okay. All right.
Sounds like she copied my idea.
I can do pinks.
No. Oh my gosh, she's joking. Do whatever.
Don't.
I'm doing things.
We get started.
Yeah, it's kind of like a leave-on mask.
Is this good?
This
Yeah.
good, but
Honestly.
this better.
This?
Oh, I have to stop helping you guys. Okay.
Yes, baby.
Put it all over your face first. And this will help me with that process while I
Sit down.
sit down and is it nice, madam?
Yeah, it's quite nice. Step one is cleaning their face with micellar water, but okay,
Yeah.
guys, I guess we're skipping that.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
Assume
What?
that it was already clean.
Wrong assumption.
Face
Rolling
is
that face
always
in
dirty.
dirt.
Her face is always dirty.
No, I just cleaned it.
No.
No. So, do I not have skin on my eyes or what?
Her neck.
The deck was harsh.
Yeah.
My neck. My back.
Shut up. Going to end.
Shut up.
Okay. Massage that butt.
You're so
Yike.
Close your eyes, ma'am.
Sorry, do you want me to give you constructive criticism or you want me to shut up?
Shut up now. Afterwards, then you.
Alright.
Should we do eyebrows first?
Yeah, eyebrows, girl. You follow my shit. Tell her to stop moving.
Or should I put the mirror away so I can't see what you're doing? Aggressive.
Yeah, that's how I like it.
Getting your makeup done is so boring.
Really? I thought it was relaxing.
No, it's really boring. To all my clients, I'm sorry.
By the way, I've never done makeup for people. And I don't do makeup on myself. Like, I don't do eyeshadow.
Liar. I'm gonna put pink last time everyone just before our press day. I put falsies on her in the car.
I've never worn falsies.
Excuse me, sis. That's more epic. Close your eyes. Oh my god. So heartbroken.
Literally nobody has ever said that about me.
Oh yeah? You're just lying. You're removing everything? No.
So guys, how much would you say your rates are if people wanted to hire you after the job that you've done?
120.
And you?
No answers.
Let me pull up and find some questions to ask. Like, who's more likely question?
Or the psychopath one goes to Sophie.
Yeah, 100%. So I'll ask the question and then at 3, 2, 1, we say a name, okay? Who's more likely to win a Nobel Prize?
Me.
3. Guys, 3, 2, 1. Who's more likely to work for Satan? 3, 2, 1. Sophie. Okay. Who's more likely to be a gang member? 3, 2, 1. Sophie. You guys are so mean.
Just because.
Who's more likely to be in prison? 3, 2, 1. Sophie.
I am the nicest person alive.
You told him to shut up like 15 times since we started. She doesn't even say anything. Who's more likely to set a Guinness World Record for something? 3, 2, 1.
Sophie. Sahur.
Okay, Sophie, explain what you think you're gonna set a Guinness World Record for.
Fitness and psychology.
Second one, yeah, maybe. What about you, industry? What am I getting a Guinness World Record for?
Most number of shape tapes sold.
Probably. Other than the Tart Factory.
She already won.
Here we go. Fun question. Who's most likely to die first? 3, 2, 1. Sophie. Because of some dumb shit she does.
I did too many.
Like yesterday?
Too many like dumb athletic shit that's gonna
Break my bones.
Yeah.
Have you guys actually broken bones?
Yeah.
I did when I was 9. You know those chin-up bars that are like 6 feet tall?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, what?
It's just stupid.
4 feet? I climbed on them and I was doing somersaults on them. And I used to do that all the time. But then I fell and I broke like 4 bones in my foot.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
4.
Yeah. Who's more likely to work at Facebook? 3, 2, 1. Industry.
Because I'm Indian?
No!
People saying this is not gonna work. It's gonna.
Alright. Who's most likely to survive the Hunger Games? 3, 2, 1. Industry.
Really?
Me?
Yeah. No.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
You're really athletic, but you're like, if you don't like someone, you're really bad at getting along with them. I really feel like industry will
I
make
can
the
play them,
right
right?
alliances and get along with people.
I can play them. You're just jealous.
Who's more likely to be arrested first? 3, 2, 1.
Industry.
Sophie! Sophie!
I won't be arrested for it. I think I'd get arrested for like hitting a curb or something.
I don't do anything that would get me punished by the law.
I'll get arrested for stealing.
You get arrested for stealing.
No, she'll get fined for eating in public transport. That's for sure.
Oh my god, every time we go out and we get like a ride share together, Sophie's always eating and the driver's always like, can you stop
Can
eating?
you please stop eating? And you will tell her in the most polite way possible.
Yeah, and she'll say yes, but she'll keep eating. Why are you like this?
I'm hungry. Look up.
Who's most likely to be an undercover agent? 3, 2, 1. You.
Sophie. I would love to live in Bali.
You live in Bali? Oh my god.
You're such a white.
I know, you're such a white person. I'd love to live in Bali.
Because
What do you do in Bali when you run out of foundation, Sophie? Where do you go buy it? They have Sephora in Bali.
look, you
Obviously.
ruined my eye. You closed it and I have to. Most popular
Oh. 3. Okay, who's most likely to marry Rihanna? 3, 2, 1.
Sahur.
You've gotten the closest to her.
I'm sorry. Okay. Questions down for now. How do I look, guys?
Sure. Keep in mind that Anushree had a master class.
Oh
And
my god. Stop being mean to
No,
Mystery.
no, and I've never done makeup, so don't judge.
Ah, okay.
Oh, she was complimenting.
She's complimenting me. She's
She's getting nicer.
yeah. She's
Trying,
covering
she's
up her
trying.
shortcomings.
She's trying.
You're so cute.
Yeah, it's my first time doing it.
I told you, you're better than you think. We eat, sleep, makeup here. Eat, sleep, breathe, makeup here. Who's most likely to not be able to control the laugh at serious moments? 3, 2, 1.
I think it's all of us.
All of us? Okay, fair enough, yeah.
But mostly me.
Like, you just look at me, I'm just like,
Can you?
who's really good at saving money? 3, 2, 1.
I'm just reading.
Yeah, I think so. You too.
My dad would disagree.
Don't all dads disagree with how their daughters spend money? Oh, okay. Sophie wants to use a helpline. Which helpline would you like to use, Sophie?
Yours?
Ask me or my mom? Me.
You, I just need you to put on that first.
No, I'm not gonna do it for you. I can show you how to do it.
Okay. We can do that later. Once I'm done with Goldie.
You can do it, Sophie.
Okay.
Just remember, you put mascara on me, right? Then you let the lash glue dry, okay? And you use one of these things. Okay, you can do it. That will not count as a lifeline used.
So proud of him.
Let's go. Not gonna put anything on the bottom lash line?
Sure. If I want to kill you, yeah, sure.
I believe in you. If I didn't believe in you guys, you wouldn't be this far.
No, true. That is very true.
I'm gonna wear my glasses today.
Thank God Sophie's wearing her glasses today.
Okay.
Okay, so the girls are doing my makeup on each side of my face. I have not seen it yet, and I am not allowed to. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun YouTube video that'll be up for you guys this week. Are you both happy with your look? Silence, are you happy with your look?
Let me check.
Okay, so both of them are done with their looks now. I have not seen it yet, but I got some glimpses here and there. I still don't know what to expect. They've also done the hair as they would have liked with their look and jewelry accordingly. Thank you guys for climbing me up. Okay, so before I look, do you want to call my mom and
Yeah.
have her guess who did which side, or you want to do it after I look?
No. Let your mom look first.
Let your mom. Okay.
Who did which side? How do I know?
Just guess,
Yes.
Auntie.
Sophie, you did this purple one?
You guessed it. And then I did this other side, and she was just standing there.
Man karke. Nice.
Band karke.
Alright, it's time for the big reveal. Let's go. Okay. Oh, wow. my god, both of you did a really good job. Okay, Industry, this side is incredible. It looks like I did it. You did an amazing job. And
What?
I know you were trying to go for that garden beat vibe. And
You nailed it.
I can really see it. I can tell.
Sahur being polite for 2 minutes.
No, and you know what? Even though you guys like didn't use the same lip color, it looks quite similar. Oh, but you applied
Yeah.
lipstick and Industry just applied a little gloss, so I can see my lip kind of peeking through. But it's nice. No, but you guys did an amazing job. See, I told you.
Compared to me not doing makeup on anything.
Yeah, exactly. I told you guys that you pretend to be bad at makeup, but you're not.
We're alright.
What did I tell you?
We're alright.
Thank you guys so much for doing my makeup.
You're welcome.
I like it both. You guys did an incredible job.
Thank you.
Stop being rude to everyone's over. Yeah. Leave a comment down below on.
Subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave a
Comment below who won.
She really wants to know. Yeah, you really want to know, huh? Let me know if you would like to see any more videos with the two of them. I'll see.
You're all the Sophie's kind of annoying comments.
Oh, no.
Everyone likes me.
No bullying Sophie
No bullying
or
Sophie.
Industry in the
We
comments.
like her a lot.
You can bully me. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.